All right, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. All right, so in this video we're going to be doing some FSD in a construction zone. So if there's anything that throws off FSD, it's going to be construction. And I want to show you how it's able to handle itself with people working on the side of the road, as well as cones. We've got barriers that are just put up. I'm in between like Tyson's Corner and Dulles on Route 7, and this used to be a 55 speed limit. This is a really curvy turn here. Ooh. Oh wow. So you can see it's got a little bit of an ego here. So the speed limit here used to be 55, but since they put up all this, you know, construction, cones, barriers, they dropped the speed limit to 55. I've actually been finding myself taking Georgetown Pike a lot more these days because of this road. Sometimes it's clear, like right now, thankfully it's clear and we're moving, but traffic can build up pretty bad on this road. And now they've like even knocked it down one lane, and you know, with all the construction, it's a little bit of phantom braking there. I'm gonna try to accelerate through. For some reason FSD wanted to change lanes even though we're on a straightaway. So again, showing you how FSD acts in a construction zone. I am got the speed limit set to 5 miles over. It should be set to 45. But it's a really clear day right now. I try not to go no more than 5 miles over the speed limit. It's a really sharp turn there. FSD was able to handle it. It slowed itself down quite nicely, and it's taken this bend pretty good. So I find when it does do sharp turns, it tends to change lanes right before to give itself more of like an apex turn per se, to make it easier. That's fine and all. I just don't like when it does the phantom braking or the unnecessary lane changes, kind of like it's starting to do now. So at this moment I got no one in front of me. I think, you know, FSD should just be able to go straight down, but it could be that the cones are kind of tweaking it out and it wants to get back on this side because there's no cones there. I don't know, but as you can see, it is able to adapt and run in construction, but I would advise to be extra vigilant in a construction zone if you decide to use FSD. Yeah. Especially during lane closures and merges, it has tendencies to like want to take over cars when you're like kind of getting into traffic where things are like merging. Say if like there's cones and there's still a little bit space on this side, sometimes FSD will try to get over when the lane is closing down. So construction is, you know, can be its flaw. So anyone who just joined beta, congratulations. It is awesome. Great software to be running, especially for most you know, metropolitan areas. It's pretty much going to work flawlessly. I tried to say, like, unless you live off of a mountain in a dirt road, you know, you may not, you know, get the best service out there or something like that. You might have some issues with FSD, but not saying FSD works off of data, it's actually working off vision. So it just happens to be those areas tend to be more remote and they haven't been tested as much. So really nice job with the slowdown, coming to a complete stop here. Want to thank everyone for watching this video. Hope everyone watching is having a great day. Bella says hi to everybody. She's hiding down here too. Bella, hey. All right, thanks again for watching. Hope you guys have a great day, and we'll be bringing some more videos here soon. Thanks, bye.